Hi everyone, my name is Anita. I'm one of the audiologists here at Blackberry Hearing, and today I'm going to show you our soundproof booth where we conduct our hearing tests.
So for the hearing test, we will ask you to have a seat in our soundproof booth, and then we will give you some instructions on how the hearing test works. For the first part of the hearing test, we will pop these headphones on over the ears and give you a button. The main aim of the hearing test is to test the quietest levels that you can hear. So we will present different sounds, kind of like beeps. And whenever you hear a beep, no matter how loud or quiet the sound is, you just press the button to let us know that you can hear it. For the second part of the hearing test, we have this bone conductor where we pop this little part here on the bone behind one of your ears. And it'll be the same thing again. Whenever you hear a beep, you just press the button to let us know that you can hear it. And when we've finished the hearing test, we will ask you to have a seat back outside of the booth and run through the results in detail and give us any recommendations based on the results.